have fewer higher ed courses. So these schools that are predominantly black and brown are less likely to have calculus courses, less likely to have chemistry courses, less likely to have algebra courses, right? And if we think more closely about where our society is going in terms of the importance of STEM, right, and trying to decrease the racial and ethnic disparities of STEM majors, for example. How is it possible for me to major in STEM if I graduate from a high school that does not even offer Algebra 1, right? I'm not making this up. The U.S. Department of Education just did a broad-scale study of schools in the U.S. last year, and this is what they found. They found that these schools that educate brown and black children are less likely to have these courses. They also find that these schools are also more likely to employ teachers with less education and less certification. So now not only am I not getting algebra, but I'm being taught math by someone who doesn't even have a certification in math. But the expectation is to close the STEM achievement gap. How is that possible? How is that possible? This structure is perpetuating this inequality and creating conditions that make these gap closings, if you will, much more farther to get to, much more harder to reach. I have handouts here.
If we take concepts of prejudice, ethnocentrism, bigotry, and racism, how do they connect?
Can you say that again?
Ethnocentrism, prejudice, bigotry, racism. How do they connect?
Well, they all have to do with preconceived notions about a certain type of person.
Why you say that?
Just that's how all the words are connected. Because like they all have to do with like,
Which one is the power word? Which one? Bigotry? Which one's the power word? Ethnocentrism, bigotry, prejudice, racism. Power would mean that if it's proven that you indeed are racist, it would have the biggest impact on you. Power word would be if you were called that. Which one would make you cry, make you feel the worst? It's like you call me, you ever use the word chauvinistic? You ever call a guy chauvinistic? You ever call a guy sexist? Okay. Why'd you ever not call one chauvinistic? Because we just too through, or you didn't know the word. See, and if I was talking with that, I'd say, wait, hold up, baby, wait a minute. No, that's male chauvinism you talking about. You ain't, see, but because that's what you do. If you call me something, you better know what it means. You want to, you ladies, if he's not this tall, he get no chance. That's your prejudice. Yeah, you feel it, don't you? Yeah, you felt that, didn't you? So, but, and that's why a lot of times we laugh because we can jiggle about prejudice because that one, oh yeah, I am, and it depends how deep it goes. But when we get to racism and say, who's the racist? That's when it's quiet. Unless you just totally are ignorant of power dynamics. That's what Dr. E's trying to do today. I'm trying